Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to be doing a Loveworld song titled Glorious Icon of the Father. I'm going to be playing it in the key of B flat. Alright, so if you don't know how to play the key of B flat, you can look in the playlist. Alright, so you can play the intro like this. It's a 2 to 5. Then you do a 3, 6, but you play a major chord. So, Lord, you made yourself visible in human flesh. 5, justified and vindicated. This 3, by your spirit. To 6, major. Then a 2, seen by angels and the glorious gospel. 5, da 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 da. This 3 to 6, da da da, 2, da 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 da, then 5, da da da. When I'm done, I'm going to put everything together. Then you do the 6 again, but major. Da 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 da, da 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 da, 5, da 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 da. This 3, da 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 da, da 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 da, da da da. 5, da, 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 1. Alright, so let's start again. Lord, 2, da, 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 da. I'm putting the first part together. Then you do again. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. 5, da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Then you do this. The glorious icon of the Father. 6. This one you playing the minor. Soon coming. Da, 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 come you do a flat 7/5, then you come to 1, 3, 4. You move to 5 with a 4, still maintaining. Then you move to 3, 6. The sun coming in 2. You maintain. Then 5. So the second stanza is the same thing until they move on to da, 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 then you do da, 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 5. Then you move to the same thing, 2, 4, then 3, to 3, and then to the 6. Then you do a 2, 3, 4. This a flat 5. And then 5. Then it's the glorious Son of the Father. So let me do that part again. Right? So you do a 2, 3. Sorry, a 4, 3, 2. Okay. 2 and 3. That's the first time. Then the second one, 3, 2, then move to 5. Then the whole choir sings 4. Then 2, 3, 4, flat 5. All right. Okay, so see you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.